Is your truck a piece of shit? This one is too. Will this video help you? I don't know. Will I be able to fix it? So this is my mom and my stepdad's 2005 Silverado 1500. They've been having issues with it not starting. They can jump it, it'll run. The lights are dimming, it'll cut off when they slow down or come to a stop. So I'm gonna take the battery out, get a new one, and we'll see where it goes. I threw the battery in and got it started. It's running. I think it's misfiring. It's idling super low and saying it's charging at like 16 volts, which is not good. So I got my voltmeter. I hope that gauge is wrong, but we'll see. I feel like it's misfiring, but they have had issues with dirt in the fuel system in the past. I threw a can of seafoam in it. My house is right down the street. I'm gonna take it home, grab some lunch, take it back, run that seafoam through it, see if it goes away. If not, we'll start tracking that down. The idle's dropping to about 400 or 500 when I stop. It's not running hot. Oil pressure's good. Definitely feels a little underpowered. I'll grab my code reader so I can read those codes. So these are the codes I'm getting. I'm pretty sure that's a misfire. Don't know what that is, but I'm an idiot, so I'm gonna eat some lunch and look up what those are. I'm gonna clear them, see if they come back, then I'll get back to you. So I threw a little fresh gas in it, some injector cleaner. Still having that same misfire code. Coil code is gone. It's probably because I was unplugging it while I was running to see what was happening. But I got my spark plug tester tool. It goes between the coil and the spark plug wire to see if it's getting spark. It's a cheap tool, super helpful, very easy, especially when you're by yourself. So it goes right between the end of the spark plug wire and this plug, and then right in this little part, you should be able to see some sparks when I start it up. All 8 cylinders have spark. Yes, it's fuel. Figured it out. I'm not just holding this because I'm an idiot. I am an idiot, but I'm holding this for a reason. So you put this end on what you want to listen to, put your ear up to the other end. I'm gonna use this injector as an example because it's the easiest one to see. So what you do, put the screwdriver on here, on the edge while it's running, and put your ear on the other end. You should hear it click. So I figured out it was one of the fuel injectors. Excuse you. Put the screwdriver on it, wasn't making any noise. Checked the voltage going into the plug. Voltage was good. So seems like it's one injector is the issue. Order one of those, come back another day as soon as it gets here, swap it out. Hopefully we're not having any other issues. Next day, we're back at it. Got a new injector. I'm gonna start it up, pull the fuel pump fuse, let it run out of fuel, and then we'll get it going. Old injector, new injector. Turn the key on to prime the fuel system. It's hard to see. I don't see any leaks, so I guess let's start it up, see what happens. So it's running. It doesn't seem to be misfiring anymore. It's idling a whole lot better. Sounds better. I'm gonna let it idle for a little bit, maybe do a little relearn, drive it, and just see how it feels. So I pulled the plugs. This is the driver's side. I know they got replaced recently. This is the passenger side. This is the injector that I replaced. So I put new plugs in it. It's definitely running better. I think there's still some dirt in the fuel system. When I pulled that injector, it was pretty dirty. Still throwing a random misfire code and the code for coil 6. I noticed the plug for that coil, one of the terminals is a little messed up. I got one of those. I'm gonna swap that out. And I'm gonna keep running a fuel cleaner through it. If it doesn't work, I'm just gonna have to pull all the injectors and clean them. So leave a like if you liked it. Probably didn't help you, but thanks for watching anyway. Comment, talk some shit, tell me what I did wrong. Have a good one, choose passion. Stay tuned, I'll see you in the next one.